District, One Product initiative is launched by the Honorable Prime Minister. In 2019, districts of the country have identified a product for exports, scaling up manufacturing, improving quality. So as part of the ODOP, the One District, One Product, the Lakadong turmeric is a very important product which comes from the West Jaintia Hills district. The quality of the turmeric is world famous and it is in great demand. To give a leverage to the marketing of the turmeric, there were some buyer-seller meets which were facilitated by the Department of Industry and Invest India in Government of India, along with the government of Meghalaya, the state government, and the local authorities. The self-help groups here and Padma Shri Trinity Saiho have been instrumental in taking this movement ahead. The entire coordination was with the self-help groups of the local village, and the farmers who've been growing turmeric, they've been helped by the local communities to grow more turmeric, and led by Trinity and her team, the women who work with her, the farmers who work with her. They have also been dealing with other issues such as insects attacking the crop and enhancing the productivity, enhancing the quality, organic turmeric to the table of the consumer. So in this context, the buyer, which was identified and facilitated with the help of Invest India from Kerala, has come in and purchased 13 tons of turmeric last year, and the procurement order has gone up to 25 tons this year. Now, when the procurement is done, more quantity has to be aggregated, has to be brought together. In order to do that, the local transportation may sometimes have issues because of the hilly terrain and the rainy climate, and that is how the idea of using drones under the Agni mission of Government of India was brought in, and the collaboration was brought in. The drones can pick up payloads of anything between 5 kg to 25 kg, and the next order, which is about 25 tons of turmeric, will be greatly helped with the help of drone intervention. The payment will be made by the buyer, the Kerala buyer, who's already purchased this turmeric, 25 tons this year, and he will be facilitating picking up the turmeric from the various points. The cost of transportation also comes down with the help of use of drones. So this is the initiative.